It is a cold and rainy night, so I thought I would make a ramen burrito and watch some episodes of A Haunting in the back of my truck tonight. You probably won't hear the rain though over my TV, but I hope you guys enjoy.
Hi, I'm Lorraine.
For a few days, David remains free of demonic possession.
Means that I know you meant well.
Father said you just did the wrong thing.
Arnie urgently needs to rescue his mother from the rental house.
Can I have the holy water?
I saw the black figure standing there.
I'm glad.
These things are so terrifying when they are happening. We're only a phone call away. We always tell them that, how to protect themselves, particularly the parents. It really took a terrible toll on their mother.
What happened?
Possession set in, but it wasn't David.
It's not him. He wouldn't even think this way or try to act this way. You would never see that coming out of him. David tells them that the beast has called upon more demons to possess him.
The roads tormenting me.
He was frightened, so I protected him as much as we could. I was so worried, I was frightened, trying to fight something you can't say.
Lord have mercy, Lord have mercy, Christ have mercy, Lord have mercy, Lord have mercy. Tries to support his decision.
I was afraid of it, but it's always been his dream